In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can use a protractor to measure an acute or an obtuse angle. First of all, let's quickly discuss a protractor. The protractor needs to be placed where the two lines that form the angle meet. There are two sets of numbers on the protractor, ones that go from left to right in a clockwise direction, and the ones in the center that go from right to left in an anti-clockwise direction. I'm going to place 0, which is on the outside, on one of my lines. Doing this means I'm now going to read clockwise around the outside to where my line meets my protractor numbers. Now in this case, my line is not long enough to meet my protractor, so I'm going to extend it on. And here I've got an angle of 154 degrees. In an exam, the answer that you provide can be 1 or 2 degrees either above or below the actual answer, so some degree of error is allowed. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So as we did before, place the center of the protractor at the center of where the two lines meet. Rotate your protractor so that 0 is on one of the lines. Now I've opted in this case for the 0 that is on the inside, so I'm now going to be reading anti-clockwise around to where my other line meets the protractor. I can see that the line is 3 degrees in to 60, so my angle is 63 degrees.